with Sleepy Glen Farm again. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so. It's not going to cost you nothing. Nobody's going to bother you unless you hit that bell. Then you'll know when I upload another video. But we sure would appreciate you helping us grow our YouTube channel. We like to just, bring you along and show you what we're doing around here. It may not be much, it might be something that you're interested in, but today's video we are going to talk about how to get eggs in the wintertime out of your chickens. Stay tuned. So here's the big question of the day. What came first, the chicken or the egg? That's a thought to ponder. Because if you're religious, the chicken came first, because you can't have eggs unless you have a chicken. And God created everything. Okay, right now in here, I've just got this heat lamp for the girls for nighttime, only because it gets, let me set you up over here. It gets pretty cold in here at night. So that was my mama bird. Let me point you down here. I promise not to turn my back on you too much. I can tell you right now they were busy again. So I'm going to start over here on this side. Here's one. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, those were warm. 7, 8, 9. Okay, not as many as I thought, but there's still a lot. 10, 11. There's 1 dozen. We're gonna be close. Now, I don't want you to think I was cheating because I collected all these eggs last night. So this is just whatever they laid today. Hi, honey. There we go. I've almost got 2 dozen. Here's another one of those great big eggs. I don't know which chicken is laying those eggs. So let me compare that big egg to my other eggs. Big egg, little egg. So I got 22 eggs, no lie, because I collected everything last night before I put the girls to bed. And the reason why they are producing so many eggs is because they're young chickens. Young chickens don't know not to produce eggs. They don't know how not to lay the eggs. They're like, oh, this is fun. I want to just have some eggs. And they keep producing eggs for me. Another reason why, not only because they're young chickens and they don't know any better yet, is I've got the heat lamp. It's not a day lamp. It doesn't keep this place lit up at night. we tried that and nobody was going to bed. It was a party in here every single night. So I said, no more. Everybody has to go to bed because they were getting cranky and they were fighting with each other. So we put the red heat lamp in, and it keeps it fairly warm in here. I mean, they all go up high anyways. So if you want more eggs in the wintertime, get yourself some babies and they'll produce for you in the wintertime. Right? Right, honey? Right, pretty girl? Right. Say, yes. Yes, that's what we do. We lay eggs. Thank you, sweetheart. Such a good girl. Easy does it there, Tiger. Oreo, everything's fine. All right, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like button if you like this video. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you on the next one.